Today, we're diving into a topic that's been making waves in the beauty community: the side effects of using baking soda on your face. Baking soda, with its versatile properties, has found its way into many skincare routines. But is it really safe for your delicate facial skin? Understanding baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is known for its exfoliating and cleansing properties. It's often used in DIY skincare recipes due to its ability to balance pH levels and remove dead skin cells. However, when it comes to using baking soda on the face, things might not be as straightforward as they seem. Side effects of baking soda on the face. Despite its benefits, using baking soda on the face can lead to several side effects. The abrasive nature of baking soda can disrupt the skin's natural barrier, leading to redness, irritation, and even chemical burns. Additionally, baking soda's alkaline pH level can disturb the skin's acid mantle, making it more susceptible to infections and environmental damage. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from individuals who've had first-hand experience with using baking soda on their face. Baking soda may offer temporary benefits, but its harsh nature can cause long-term damage to the skin's health. I often advise against using it on the face, especially for those with sensitive skin. It's essential to consult with a skincare professional before incorporating any new ingredient into your routine, especially one as potent as baking soda. Safe alternatives. Fortunately, there are plenty of safe and effective alternatives to baking soda for achieving radiant skin. Look for products containing gentle exfoliants like fruit enzymes or finely ground particles. Additional tips for safe skincare. When it comes to skincare, gentle is key. Opt for cleansers and exfoliants specifically formulated for facial use, avoiding harsh ingredients like baking soda altogether. Also, remember to patch test any new products before applying them to your entire face. This simple step can help you identify any potential sensitivities or allergic reactions before they become a larger issue. And always follow up with a moisturizer to replenish hydration and support your skin's natural barrier function. Listen to your skin. Lastly, pay attention to what your skin is telling you. If you notice any signs of irritation, redness, or discomfort after using a skincare product, discontinue use immediately and consult with a dermatologist. Your skin is unique, and it deserves to be treated with care and respect. So listen to its needs and make informed decisions about the products you use. With a little love and attention, you can achieve that healthy, radiant glow you've always dreamed of. Remember, skincare is all about finding what works best for your unique skin type. Well, there you have it. Before you reach for that box of baking soda in your pantry, consider the potential side effects it might have on your precious skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks.